Have you ever seen a bird that's so common, yet so extraordinary at the same time? Meet the American robin. With its bright orange belly and cheerful song, this bird is one of the first signs of spring across North America. But here's the cool part. Robins aren't just daytime singers, they're also early risers. Often the very first birds you'll hear in the morning. They eat everything from worms to berries, and their sharp eyesight can spot a tiny insect moving in the grass from yards away. And despite their delicate look, these birds are tough. Many American robins migrate thousands of miles every year, braving storms, predators, and the elements to return home. So next time you see one hopping around your yard, remember, it's not just a backyard bird. It's a survivor, a traveler, and a symbol of new beginnings. The American robin is just one stop on our A to Z animal adventure. Subscribe and join me as we uncover the next amazing creature, or the letter A.